Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the rarest and most breathtaking Italian classics ever made, the 1955 Alfa Romeo 1900C SS Speciale. This car represents the perfect blend of art, speed, and innovation that defined mid-century Italian design. Let's take a closer look at what makes this rolling sculpture so extraordinary. The 1955 Alfa Romeo 1900C SS Speciale was not your average production car. It was a one-off masterpiece designed by Carrozzeria Ghia, created to showcase the pinnacle of Italian craftsmanship and aerodynamic design. Built on the shortened, super sprint chassis of the Alfa 1900, this Speciale was lighter, faster, and far more elegant than anything else on the road in its era. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the design is pure Italian drama. The body is crafted entirely from aluminum, with flowing curves and an aerodynamic silhouette that looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. The low-slung front end, covered headlights, and bold central grille give it a distinctive personality, unmistakably Alfa Romeo. The long hood and short tail proportions emphasize speed even when the car is standing still. Its rear fenders flare beautifully, while the subtle tail fins and sleek chrome details capture that perfect balance between aggression and grace. Every line has purpose, and every curve has emotion. Interior. Moving to the interior, the cabin is a minimalist blend of luxury and function. The dashboard is simple yet elegant, with classic round gauges framed in polished metal. The leather seats are hand-stitched, wrapping around the driver and passenger with a sense of tailored precision. You won't find any distractions here, just an intimate, driver-focused cockpit that immerses you completely in the driving experience. It's a reminder that, in the 1950s, driving wasn't about technology, it was about connection. Performance. Under the hood, the Alfa Romeo 1900C SS Speciale is powered by a 1.9-liter inline-four engine, producing around 115 horsepower, impressive for its time. The twin-cam design ensured smooth power delivery and reliability, while the lightweight construction meant it could reach speeds up to 190 km per hour, or roughly 118 miles per hour. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and precise steering, this Alfa offered a level of performance and handling that rivaled the best sports cars of its era. On the road, the 1900C SS Speciale was agile and responsive, with a balanced chassis and superb aerodynamics. Whether cruising through mountain passes or racing on the open road, it delivered an unforgettable driving experience, one that combined elegance, engineering, and excitement in perfect harmony. Today, the 1955 Alfa Romeo 1900C SS Speciale stands as a priceless collector's dream. It's more than just a car, it's a piece of design history, representing the golden age of Italian coach building. With its breathtaking style, handcrafted details, and authentic Alfa Romeo spirit, it continues to inspire car enthusiasts and designers around the world. In conclusion, the 1955 Alfa Romeo 1900C SS Speciale isn't just a rare automobile, it's a timeless expression of passion, performance, and Italian artistry. Every curve tells a story, every detail reveals craftsmanship, and every drive reminds you why Alfa Romeo has always been synonymous with emotion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into classic cars from around the world. See you in the next one.